grass. 但是 more importantly, 我们是看到这个非常有名的 Icelandic horses。冰岛的这个马其实是蛮有名的，它的这个鬃毛。这个山看起来和昨天不一样。So let's go. It's gonna take an hour. Excuse me. Is it good up there today? Visible?
However cool you think it's gonna be, it's like twice as cool.
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome. Feeling good about having ingrained deeply into the Icelandic culture
Like
last night?
The wind and the rain yesterday really got into my soul.
Blood, sweat, and tears.
Blood, sweat, and tears. 10 times better than yesterday.
Look at the landscape. Honestly, I don't think we would have been able to walk up in the weather condition last night. This is pretty steep. See that lava right there? We're still young. Guys, like, we're literally walking right next to the lava. This is the last leg of this hike. This is absolutely breathtaking. It's supposed to erupt every 10 minutes or so, so we're just gonna find an ideal spot, sit down, and enjoy the view. Speechless. That was by far the most spectacular, most remarkable, natural sceneries I've never witnessed in my life. B, yo, you see that?
That's incredible. Holy shit.
Yo guys, we have the volcanic eruption right behind us. This is such a once in a lifetime experience.
We don't see anything else.
This would have been worth the entire trip.
Absolutely.
Seeing this on day 2, I mean, it just makes me look forward to the rest of the trip. I mean, what else is in store? What else is in store for this trip, man? This is amazing. I'm so happy to be spending this special moment, you know, with one of my best friends. This is a moment to be remembered forever. Are we supposed to kiss now? 在亲眼看完这个火山了以后 to witness everything, witness the eruption in person, it's really different because you can not only see it, you can smell it in the air, right? Almost feel the heat coming towards you. So the entire experience, to your point, V, this alone was worth it. Doing your head, what happened? You hurting yourself always, man. For 5 seconds I was watching over you. This is what you did to yourself. Next up,
Fontana.
it's probably gonna be very rejuvenating.
I know you already.
You know me already?
Chinese celebrity.
Oh, I'm not a celebrity.
please.
No, I'm a vlogger. But yes, we have a reservation with you guys.
Yes.
That'd be great. Thank you very much.
I already know you by
Thank you. What's your name?
Adriana.
Adriana?
Adriana.
Nice to meet you. I'm Darren. This is Brian.
Nice to meet you.
And towels, bathrobes.
I think we're good with towels. Should we get a towel?
You need
Yeah.
Yes, please.
I'll take one too.
from Portugal, actually. If you want some drinks, also just let us know. Okay.
Thank you, Adriana.
All right.
There we go. Okay, now we're out. Wow, look at this view, huh? Especially after that long hike, I think our bodies need a little rejuvenation. What do you think?
I think that's a great idea.
There's nothing better than dipping into a hot pool of spring water, right? Hot spring water.
Geothermal pool.
Geothermal pool. We're gonna hit the sauna later. Oh yeah. Look at all these beautiful people hanging out at the pool. This is a piece of pepper right here. Oh. Kind of amazing. But you gotta jump in. This feels so nice. It really rejuvenates your body. I think I'll be ready for another hike after this.
I think we should go back
What
to
you think?
Volcano. Let's go back.
Yeah, right? Man, this feels amazing. I don't want to leave, B. Again, Iceland has not disappointed. I
Fontana.
mean, aside from the weather, a little bit, but it's all part of Iceland now.
It's part of the experience.
Exactly. What do you think about Fontana so far?
I love it.
Yeah,
We just missed the geothermal bread, but if you can get here at 2:30, you can try some specially made geothermal artisan bread.
You're liking it, right?
Loving it.
I think I need to show the audience what you look like, how relaxed you look at the moment. Yeah, there you go.
Perfection.
You have Icelandic ladies serenading us next door.
It's a choir that just came into the pool.
I lived in the US for.
Great, we're in the US.
We lived most of the time, like 6 years in Massachusetts.
Okay, that's where he's from.
What part?
So what are you guys doing here?
I'm a vlogger. So
We were actually talking about that. You must be some famous person that we have no idea
Why is that?
you're famous. And I was like, either he's super famous and we have no idea.
No clue.
No clue. You're not taking a video of this, are you?
Yes.
we're taking a video.
You're on the vlog.
I'm not
Name.
the randomly famous person that you ran into.
Exactly. I was like saying,
Well, two things I've established. One, I got the tourist look, and secondly,
you don't actually, but
I
okay.
got the randomly,
Yeah.
random celebrity look.
Okay.
So
Yeah, you
I
got
that
the
going for
celeb
me.
look. Yeah, that's say.
Yeah.
I told my husband, happy wife, happy life.
Oh yeah.
And
It's
he's
the motto.
like, I am not so sure about that. I'm like,
So how do younger people like us two, without a wife, get a happy life? You can't.
okay, I didn't,
Going fly fishing.
maybe. That was actually a good one.
She's like, after I've cracked like 20 jokes, she's
I
like,
know.
That was the first good one. All the other ones.
It takes me
Suspect.
a while.
So we've seen some people taking cold plunges in that lake. And should I try?
I think you should.
We're in Iceland.
Yeah.
We gotta be culturally involved, right? Not cold? Oh. I think he's lying to me for some reason. I think he's lying to me for some reason. Here we go. Actually, it's not that bad. that's the only reason why I don't want to go.
Right, right.
Actually, it wasn't that bad, you know, like
You got your ankles wet.
Hey, that's a whole lot more to be said about me than you. Oh, this is hot. Yo, you feel so nice. Woo! Geothermal steam bath. Check it out. I'll see you guys later. Brian, come on. I feel rejuvenated. Ready for the next stop? Waterfall, right? Gulf Falls. Feeling good. This was clutch. It's perfect. Montana. I mean, not Montana. Fontana. Make sure you guys hit that up. We're the only ones left. I literally cannot feel. I literally cannot feel my face. So good. That's a family of sheep, right?